In this video, we'll give you an overview of Discover, available in IG Planner on Planoly's web dashboard. Discover shows you user-generated content, UGC, on Instagram and free stock photos. This is a great feature as you can search for and import content into Planoly, making planning content easier than ever before. To access Discover, your linked Instagram account must be an Instagram business account and authenticated with a Facebook business page. Creator and personal accounts cannot access Discover at this time. To get started, go to the top navigation bar and click on Discover. Choose to search content by either username, hashtag, or by content source. Searching content by username and hashtag makes regramming and finding inspiration easy. Please note, not all tagged posts may appear when you search by users or hashtags. You'll only be able to see some posts from Instagram's search results. Keep in mind, usernames will not automatically populate when typing, so you must type in the exact Instagram handle without the @ sign. Private or personal Instagram handles will not show in searches, only Instagram business and creator profiles. Now when searching by hashtag, the symbol is not needed. Remember, if you're sharing an image that isn't a free stock photo, it's important to always ask permission before regramming Instagram content you're not directly involved in. We recommend always giving credit to the content creator. And here is where you can include the original caption for regramming content. Discover also includes a wide range of free stock photos, which is perfect if you're looking to add more content to your grid or to get inspiration. Search content via Unsplash or Pexels. Please note, if you are a free Planoly user, adding an image from Instagram or a stock photo is subject to your 30 uploads per month. You now have an overview of Discover, available in IG Planner on Planoly's web dashboard. To learn more about IG Planner, visit Planoly Academy at pages.planoly.com/academy.